Okay, so this is AI DIY. Website's up and running, so you can go to aidiy.tech. Again, we're here basically for the purpose of learning how to build an app with the assistance of AI. I'm using ChatGPT 4 quite a bit. This app and this channel are to raise money for loveheart.org, which providing life-saving or life-changing in a good way eye surgeries, donated glasses, artificial eyes to remote villages in Indonesia. I've been on a tour myself. The goal is to raise $38,800 to stack a bus full of people that actually go on these tours. That money goes directly towards the restoring eyesight. So again, we're here to build this app. In the last video, we decided this was going to be codeless. We are going to find an application. Now, I've actually gone back a step. There's the design element that ChatGPT didn't really talk about. So the first thing you really need to do is build a design. You need to know what the app's going to do. You know the function. I actually found an app. Let me see if I can find this. And no, I'm not using iOS. What's it called? I Am. So I basically, usually when you go to design something, it's not from scratch. You should be looking at other ideas, how other people do stuff. You don't want to miss part of the design. I got a basic idea of the layout and how it's sort of set. If you want a massively awesome way to see daily affirmations, definitely download the I Am app. It's beautiful. This is built for a purpose, which is a learning tool and to raise money and for me to learn along the way as well. But that's what I've done. So I did a search with Chat. I'm like, oh no, that's right. We can't just go right into it. We have to do what's called wireframing. And the wireframing is the way that it's all laid out, how it's going to run. You got to think about what it's going to look like. This one here, pencil project, I had a look at that. See, since it looks like this, I'm a bit weary. I've never used it before, and it looks a bit cheap. I like how it has the templates there for that. But I settled back on Figma, and Figma was one of the ones that it actually suggested to do. As I mentioned, it's there. Now I'm just going to tell you what Figma does. I'll show you what Figma does. Here's my design here. Cool. You can zoom in and out. And in this case, the first time I used it was confusing as. So basically you push the middle mouse button to move it around. You hold control, zoom in and out, and you do things like rectangle, go here, blah, blah, blah. So you just basically, all you want to do is have a layout, right? And what I did was I just get it started. You don't want to see me sort of laying it out. First thing you'll see is the logo. Thank you for downloading the app. App name, we still haven't named the app. Enter your name, that's important. You want to have that there. You want to personalize the daily affirmations. And I basically said you must enter the name in order to continue. The other one, you don't have to, you can skip, but as I'm saying, this is a simple app. This will then open up here. Very glad to meet you. As you may or may not know, the app was built to raise money for loveheart.org, and there's going to be a Love Heart mission. I'll put that in there when we get to it. If you'd like to know more about Love Heart, please click on the link website, and I basically make sure we note here that it opens up in a web browser. Would you like to make a donation to Love Heart? Yes, please. Opens up the link to the donation. Continue to the app basically means no thank you, which is fine. You go down to here. Wow, it's great to have you here. Man, we want to have this somewhat legit, right? Like if you have a inspiration app, you want to give it the look and feel. Well, maybe the feel. Give it the words, the nice words. We're so excited to fill your day with positive vibes. Wow. Well, you know what we might even have here? Wow. Name here. Wow, Bob. It is great to have you here. We're so excited to fill your day with positive vibes. When would you like to get your affirmations? And, you'll have a time scroll down and a time scroll down. How many inspiring affirmations do you like? You know what? I'm going to open up. No, I'm not. How many would you like? Blah blah blah. You enter there. Once you enter, as again, you have to fill it out. Hit continue. Then a message will pop up about allowing notifications. I noticed that when I was going through the sign up process of the other app, which I have to cancel, by the way. It's like $30 a year. Getting this free app is great value, and suggested donation to Love Heart is $10 or more forever, for as long as this app runs. There we go. Message would pop up about allowing notifications. And then what I thought we'd do, just so we can use some AI, it goes here, and we'll go to AI. We'll say, create one daily affirmation. You go, bang. Today, I embrace my ability to create change. Each step I take is a progression towards my goals. I am empowered by my own strength and determination. I am capable, I am resilient, and I'm on the path to success. I feel inspired. So I'm going to take that, put it here. Ooh. Okay. You know, we might just change that font a little bit. Maybe we'll call it 12. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Put it in here. Now this, obviously, we're not going to just, this doesn't build the app, right? This is, so we have a design on how to make the app. Now, we said right from the beginning we want it to be simple. I don't think it'd be any more simple than that. There's a possibility as we go into this that we're going to be like, oh, we missed a whole bunch of steps. I don't know. Again, we're learning along this together. So I just wanted to touch upon that. That's the first tool. Now, the next thing we want to do is have a look at the tool itself. I'm going to have a look at the tool itself offline, learn a little bit about it, then walk sort of through. Yeah, so that's that. Okay, again, look at the YouTube channel, look at the information. If you're enjoying this content, well, first of all, subscribe, hit the like button. The more subscribes that I get, the more that this will be promoted, the more people can learn, the more money that we can make for loveheart.org, and the more life-changing eye surgery that we can basically provide. Yeah, that'd be great if you could do that. There should be a link in the YouTube channel, and you can make the donation. So thanks again. This is AI.